Alright, so in today's video, I'll be recording a short video tutorial on how you can actually repurpose your Instagram videos into LinkedIn posts, right? And the tool that we are going to obviously be using in this case is called MagicPost. Now, I've already recorded a short video tutorial on it, going through the different features and capabilities that you can actually use it for, such as, copying other creators' writing style to basically make the AI chatbot write like them, eliminating the need of actually having to use GPT to basically prompt and analyze your writing style and all of those additional stuff, right? Which I'll leave a link in the description to that video for you to actually watch, right? Now in this case, all we're gonna do is basically repurpose our YouTube videos into actual LinkedIn content, right? And like I said, the tools you're gonna be using is called MagicPost for generating the actual content itself, and Yapthread for basically transcripting the voiceovers of the actual video, right? And in this case, I'm gonna open my phone. Hopefully I'll display it right here, right? Now the creator that I'm actually aiming to basically show you guys is JT, right? And this is the video that I want to actually transcript, right? Now in this case, I'm gonna click on record and turn on volume.
That's how the best brands in the world are going to do social media the rest of this year. And I would love for you to share this with your team so you guys can go and crush it yourself. The opportunity right now is still organic social media, but it's going to evolve. Historically, brands on social media show up with one account. Think about this. You launch an account on TikTok, you launch an account on Instagram. It's your brand. That's the thing that you do. That's your handle. That's where everything is going. The goal with that was to build your audience as big as possible with the brand account, and then all the content gets shown to those people. But now, two really important things that have changed. Number one, just because you have an audience doesn't mean that your content is being shown to them. Every video needs to be tailored and designed to hit that person specifically, because that's how it works now. So if every single video you post is trying to appeal to a different demographic, you're shooting yourself in the foot. Number two, because following doesn't matter as much, it's a great opportunity for anybody to get traction. You can literally launch something today and have a video pop off just like that, which leads me to what's going to happen. The brand is going to be the network. The best companies are not just going to have one account. They're going to have 5 to 6 different accounts, each of them appealing to different demographics or being unique series, and they will keep testing new things and piloting new shows often. This is already happening with big media companies. Go look at ESPN, TSN, Morning Brew, consumer brand that's doing a fantastic job at this. Go look at ClickUp. ClickUp has a main account, then they have a comedy account, a complete office-like skit account. They have influencers that are fake personalities on their own channels. Because you might be at capacity on your main account. People might just not want to follow your main brand account. That doesn't mean that you're done. You can go and get clever, come up with different ideas. Man on the street, do we have a podcast? Does our founder launch their own show? You guys in that room need to sit together and get really clear on what would our consumer watch. Let's go launch a show on a brand new account with that demo, because building those organic communities and then funneling them through a link in bio or whatever to whatever you want is the way you're actually gonna move your product. And I know I didn't introduce myself, but if I can ever help you, we hire creators for teams. That's what my company does. That's why I'm able to talk about this. Love you guys.
Right, so with that into account, what I'm gonna do is click on save, and as you can see, the AI model is currently transcripting our audio into actual written text. There's just something crazy about it, right? Alright, so now that's done, what I can simply do is basically just copy the actual transcript it actually generated us, right? And in this case, you're gonna see why I actually open up 2 tabs of MagicPost, right? And like I said previously, you can actually copy your favorite LinkedIn creators writing style, which is one of the reasons why I actually open 2 tabs, because one of the 2 is Oma and the other one being Now, right? Now the reason why I actually chose these guys is simply because I love their copywriting skills, and based on using actually 2 different copywriting skills, it can actually generate somewhat of a similar post, but with a different perspective and writing style and storytelling. You're gonna see what I mean by that, right? In this case, I'm gonna click on generate, and I'm gonna go on this side of the thing, click on generate as well, and as you can see, it's literally generating everything in front of our eyes. In this case, as you can see, this is the actual opening hook. The old way of social media is dying, and most brands haven't used this yet. Remember when you have one main account was the golden rule? launch your TikTok, set up your Instagram, use a brand name, build a following. That's what everyone did. But here's what's changed. First, your follow count doesn't guarantee views anymore, right? Your 10K followers, they might not see your content. Your perfectly curated feed, it might not reach the right people. The algorithms got smarter. They care about individual video preferences. They care about specific audience reactions. But again, here's the truth. Every piece of content needs its own purpose. Every post needs its own audience. Every video needs its own strategy. When you try to speak to everyone, you speak to no one. The second shift, follow counts matter less than ever. This means anyone can actually build an audience from scratch. Small accounts can explode overnight. New players can gain massive traction, and the game isn't all about collecting followers anymore. It's about reaching the right people with the right message. But yeah, you kind of get the gist of it all, right? Now, I kind of got lost because yeah, the writing style on that was actually crazy, right? Now, if you actually go to Uma's post, and here's the headline: for years I thought having one social media account was the way to go, but I was wrong. Here's what's changing: the old playbook doesn't matter anymore, blah blah blah, and you kind of get the gist of it all, right? So in a sense, normally what I'll typically do is that I'll basically take a hook, one of the two. If that one isn't a hook that I actually love, I can literally just click that, paste that, and boom, I can literally edit it like that. And that's how you can actually transcript and repurpose your Instagram videos into LinkedIn posts. Now, if you're interested in using MagicPost, I'll leave a link in the description down below for you to actually give it a try. Same thing with Yapthread.